Hey yo, welcome back. More tin openings. 151. If you haven't checked out the other video of our first tin opening, check it out. It was pretty good. Oh my god, this is terrible. Yet another reason why I don't like these tins. Okay. So, you see how they just put them in there? Ooh, fighting coin and a Machop artwork. So 151. Okay, let's hit it. Well, this is a bit loose. Hasn't been sealed properly, I don't think. Okay, so code card and energy. Okay, what do we got here? Jigglypuff, Onyx, Bulbasaur, hey buddy, Magneton, and a Wheezing. That is no good. We are still chasing a better pull than that. Any better pull. The full arts, gold card, alt arts is the key. That's what we want. I reckon it's going to be fire. Holy shit, look at that. Okay, so that obviously means that I'm going to get something now because I called it right. And that's what we got to do. Hypno, Poliwrath, Pidgeot, Abracadabra, Meowth, shit, Kabuto. Okay, oh well, no luck. 2 more tins to open. I'll see you in the next one.